How to win America Got Talent. The first time I heard about America, it was Britain Got Talent with Andrew Johnson, a video suggestion on YouTube. Just that kid. Oh my God, je dis singing a religious song in Canada. Là, it's more anti-Catholic than in the Bible Belt of the USA or USA because uh, I don't know, the Catholic Church was blamed for a lot of things, true or not. No? There are not a lot of scandal of sex or pedophilia or things like that, the province of Quebec. Uh, One or two, maybe over 60. So, uh, a religious song on YouTube, a young kid, Britain Got Talent. J'ai dit, a new era is beginning in show business, puis what we can see on TV, puis what kind of product or program we're going to have, because spirituality and religion, when it's well done, it's very interesting. What attracts, it's religion, sex or violence, said Pierre Pellado of the Journal of Montréal. Sex, violence, and religion. So, Sandra Gauger of Time Magazine said, what interests you interests others. Alors, if you do what interests you, alors, Britain Got Talent. After America Got Talent. But you have to listen to interviews. You have to listen to the judges. You have to listen what they say because you're not in the team, you're not in the program. You have to understand how they function. Simon, that is a person I appreciate a lot because it's frank and direct. You don't waste your life trying to know what he thinks, years and decades. He said, it's not a singing contest. America Got Talent's the champion, or America Got Talent. After, he said, I don't like stand-up comic. Alors, it's not either a comedy show. So I think he want to avoid America Got Talent or Britain Got Talent or other shows to become a singing contest like The Voice or a comedy contest. Alors, if I call puis I register, I have to arrive. He said, it's for people who have a great talent, but they never got an opportunity. That's the formula. But doesn't mean if you fit in that you're gonna win the show. Alors, you have the business, you have the show. Alors, what kind of show are you able to give? Alors, for example, myself, if I arrive there at America Got Talent, the champions, do I sing a song? Do I make a comedy act? Or do I improvise? Do I prepare? Because I don't have a singing training, but the advantage is I can be spontaneous in my way of singing. I don't have a lot of experience in acting, but I can be more spontaneous. I'm not known. Alors, do I arrive there improvising, not prepared? Alors, when they have a lot of expenses, ben, they can be cold feet with somebody always improvise. Alors, you have to evaluate what kind of talent you're going to demonstrate. Puis, if you have success, you have to be able to offer another act. You have to be prepared. So if you don't want to be a shooting star, a falling star, you go step by step. Alors, it's not a singing contest. It's not a comedy contest. It's for people who have a great talent but never were given an opportunity. Puis after, when you arrive on the stage, you have to like the show, you have to like the people, you have to understand how judges make their decision, like in swimming, like in gymnastics, like in diving, say 9.7, 9.6, things like that. Alors, when you step in front of the judges for the first time, ben, if everything is clear and settled, ben, they feel it. After, if you're healthy, you're not on drugs and alcohol, ben, it's because signing a contract, it's an investment. Show business or a contest, it's not a charity they give you. It's a partnership, it's a job, it's a business. You have an ability they pay for with an exclusivity. Alors, it depends what you're willing to do, puis how far you're willing to go. But if you like what you do, puis you're doing something you like, puis you enjoy the formula, I like it a lot because it's in public. Alors, everything is on the table, puis the vote is not clear, however. People seem to like at the voice to me, to attract their network. I hope my network will vote for me. Céline Dion said talent is not enough. I can be idealistic, moi, but my point, c'est, at a point, it's subjective decision that are businessly influenced. Puis, you have to arrive and earn their trust and their confidence. Everything, if you do that, it's a great start. But if you don't have he said, Simon, a showmanship ability, so you can have everything perfect, puis you don't have the talent to cross over the stage to the audience, puis entertain people, puis how to manage your anxiety. Alors, I decided, moi, to post un act I did last summer, puis say, that's what I would do when America Got Talent, the champion, but so far, I'm not ready to sign a contract in that organization, but I'm a viewer, I'm a fan, puis I enjoy my experience a lot. But that's how I reflect to help me take good decisions.